into it are you?
I just finished the first part. I think I just sorted everything.
Yeah, that was
You
easy.
just highlighted everything and you went to custom sort and then just like went column by column sorting,
Yeah,
right?
added the layers or whatever it's called.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll show my screen and then you can check and see if it's in the same order as yours. Not saying that mine's right, because who knows? Do you have first data first? And
Yep,
then
first
Charles
data,
Schwab,
Charles
and
Schwab.
then Magellan. Okay, yeah, then that's got to be right, right?
Yep.
And then the next is calculate and show the totals for each column on the top. That's easy.
I was about to do that.
Just sum those.
You just highlighted everything and moved it or something?
Yeah, I don't know. Whenever I try to insert a column up there, the red warning box just goes down and it's really annoying. So I just highlighted everything and scooted it down.
Yeah, if I ever try to type anything up into that box, it just like you can't even see it.
Yeah, me too. It's annoying. So I just scooted everything down. So that's step 2. Then for step 3, I figured them out and I'm pretty sure I have them right. But that being said, it was like a little bit of trial and error, you know, to get the X's.
Yeah.
Where? Okay. So for step 3, I just did the conditional formatting and then went to icon sets and then went down to more rules. And then I chose like here. Is my screen showing? Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it.
I went down to this where there was like the red X, the yellow exclamation mark, and the green.
Yep.
And then I kind of just over here went like, you know, red X is greater than or equal to whatever it said. And then I think it's right.
Okay.
If that makes sense for those ones.
Yep.
So that's step 3. And then for step 4, they want the average monthly sales for each customer for the last 12 months. So then I went into the monthly sales, made a column, average monthly sales, and then just, you know, did average C4 through N4, and then just clicked it and it went all the way down.
Okay, yeah.
But then over here, I made a column and then I had to do the VLOOKUP.
Okay, yeah, VLOOKUP.
And it says to not use the name of the customer, to use the customer number. So I just did VLOOKUP A9, and then the monthly sales, highlighted the whole table and anchored it, and then counted over the columns and put the column number, like mine was 15, and then false. And then it seems like it's worked just great.
Okay, yeah.
And then you got to do this like data bar thing.
That's part of step 4.
Yeah, that's part of step 4. And then step 5 is where it got tricky and I just got frustrated and quit. But then I kind of just started this. It says the gold class customers are those whose average monthly sales, we've already figured that out, for the last 12 months are 7,000 and greater, or the average sales for the most recent 3 months are 7,000 and greater. So I figured my first step needed to be to figure out the recent 3-month average, right? Do you think that's correct?
Which doesn't it show that on the monthly sales thing?
But the average monthly sales was for the whole year.
But no, click on the monthly sales one. Doesn't it have has the recent 3-month average right there?
Oh, but I added that.
Oh, you added that?
Yeah, I added that.
Okay. Okay.
And when I did it, it kind of gave me this like green box with an error, because I'm only averaging October, November, December. Oh wait, no, I'm only averaging November, December, January, right? Did I do that right?
Yeah.
LMN, okay. And so since I'm not touching any of the other adjacent cells next to it, it's giving me this weird error code. So
But it
then,
still works.
yeah, I mean, it still is working. And so then I did the same VLOOKUP over here and just changed my column number, you know?
Right.
Like
Yep.
this for me was 16, this for me was 15. And so I got that far. And then now I just need to figure out how to make this work, which I think it's going to be an if.
Yeah, like if it's greater than, right? If it's greater than 7,000, or the average sales is greater, or the recent 3 months is greater than 7.
Yeah.
It'll be gold.
Yeah. And then the next step is like silver. You have to have the average monthly sales or the average sales for the most recent 3 months. So I think we've got everything we need for step 5. We just need to figure it out.
Yeah, we just have to do like an if or function.
Okay, let's do it. Let's do it on mine, and then you can just know how to do it. So if this, right? Do I want to anchor that?
No.
No, right?
No, you don't want to anchor it. Is that how you do it? Is it if or is it if?
I think it has to be if or, right?
Yeah, is it? But I don't know if it comes up with that. No, it doesn't come up with anything there.
No, I think I have to then do the or in the middle. I mean, we haven't used if or in forever.
Yeah, I know. That's why I can't remember how. So yeah, you want to go if that is greater than what was it? 7,000? 7,000.
If this is greater or 7,000 and great.
Yeah, greater than 7,000.
Okay.
Or yeah, there we go. Now it's coming up.
Is it?
Yeah, that little function down there at the bottom.
Let's try clicking that. Or, ooh, do you think I need a parentheses right here?
No, maybe.
I guess we'll see. Or this
is greater than 7,000.
Greater than 7,000. Then
comma gold.
If not, input, or do I just want to leave it blank?
Oh, but we need to type in one formula that does the whole thing, gold and silver.
Yep. If it's not that.
Okay, so you want to do then the value if false, like another if statement after that.
Just if again.
Yeah, if again.
Then.
And then hit the same 2 cells for references.
Then this is.
What was it? Greater than.
Between 2,000 and 7,000. How do we do that? Oh, we just have to put greater than 2,000.
No, because what if it's over 7,000?
Or the average sales for the most recent 3 months are between. But in the little video, did you watch the little video that he was talking about?
No, I hadn't watched it yet.
Okay, because in it he says people are going to get confused here with the 2,000 and the 7,000. Just focus on it being greater than 2,000.
Okay.
He said that. So let's try it just this way and see if it works.
It's already gonna if it's over 7,000, it's just gonna put it as gold.
It's gonna be as gold, yes. Or the average sales for the most recent 3 months are between 2,000 and 7,000. So I just have to do if that is greater than 2,000, and then or again.
Yeah, or again.
Or this is greater than 2,000. You're going to need to take a picture of this.
Yeah, no kidding.
And then close parentheses, comma, quotes, silver. If it's false, what do we want it to do? Blank?
Blank. Yeah. You have to put a space in between that, though.
Okay, thanks. Two parentheses.
Yep.
Here's the moment of truth. Okay, let's see if it corrects it automatically for us. Huh.
So maybe try to get rid of those
The parentheses. Yep, you're right.
and see if that makes a difference.
Sure.
Okay, let's see what happens here. If we figured this out, we're geniuses. Are there any silvers though? Uh-oh. We did something wrong. There's no way they're all golds.
Yeah, no way. Especially these ones down here. There's no way they're all gold.
Yeah, okay, so let's go. So we did the gold probably right. Okay, if I9 is greater than 7,000. Oh, we need to have something happened here.
Yeah, why is that
It needs to be after the 7,000. And why does it have a time symbol there? What's happening? Or J9 is greater than 7,000. Put gold. If
It did the same thing here in the second half.
I9 or J9 is greater than 2,000, comma, intercenter. Okay, let's try that and see what happens.
See, that's what that was the fix.
Don't accept this correction. What are we doing wrong? Let me go back and look at my notes about the if or. That was so long ago.
We just go like. Do you just go like if equals if and then immediately type or and then do everything we just did?
I thought I tried that and it like did something funky, but let's.
No, like if parenthesis and then or parenthesis.
You try that?
And then type the or function like that. And then type in our formulas.
If or. Nothing's working.
Finally finished. Finally.
That was back, like we did a lot of the ifs around mini project 5 time.
Mom, can you keep all this out? Because I'm going to be working on this in the morning. Thank you.
Should we table this and come back to it tomorrow? Are you catching up to where I am right now?
Yeah, I'm just figuring out like the averages and
Okay.
stuff.
Then I'll keep looking while we're on here. Have you started the exam yet, Connor?
No, I'm hoping to get started on it tomorrow.
Me too. My goal was to finish mini project 12 tonight so that then starting tomorrow, all I had to do was focus on the exam.
Because these exams always take me forever.
Oh, the exams take me forever too. They're painful. So painful. I'm gonna Google if or function.
Okay, I'm good or no?
Oh, we kind of did it in the in conditional logic 2.
In the recent one? That was just this last one, wasn't it?
Yeah, I think it was the last one we just did was conditional formatting. We did like the data bars, but right before that we did conditional logic 2. And in my notes I have an if or. So it's equals if parentheses or, and then another parentheses, I9 is greater than whatever, and then a comma. So let's take this out, comma, and then no parentheses for the next thing, is greater than whatever, then a close parentheses, then a comma, and then gold, and then okay, and then gold, and then we need to do another if or right here. Oh, I think we're figuring it out. If, and then wait, this goes parentheses, and then OR. You like how I'm talking to myself here? I9 is greater than 2000, and then take out this, and then parentheses, and then take out this. Oops. Okay, and then what? Comma, silver, blank, blank. Let's try that. Please work. Oh, please work. I did it.
So you just put.
Take a picture because it's very complicated.
You just put the or statement inside of the.
Yeah. It goes back to the conditional logic 2 video. If you have notes on that, then you can go back and look at that. But just take a picture of that formula. Or are you already caught up to me?
No, I did something wrong with the VLOOKUP formula, just barely.
Oh, here, let me highlight that. This is what I have. VLOOKUP, and then use your customer number, and then highlight your whole table. And then count over your columns, but you have to count the first column.
Oh, wait, I got the same. Oh, I got the same as you, actually. 11,222.
Yep.
Okay, I just looked. It didn't match. Okay. But I need just to get rid of some decimals. And,
You just need to make a look pretty.
Yeah, it looked all.
And then don't forget to do your data bar for that.
So yeah, what's like the.
I just highlighted the whole volume. It's the instructions for that just say format this entire column by adding a data bar of your choice. So I just used whatever generic one. Like I didn't go in and do anything special. I just went to conditional formatting, data bars, and just clicked on the first one there. You know what I mean?
Just let it do its thing.
Yeah, I didn't go in and set it like and have 15,000 be the max or anything like that.
Okay, yeah.
because it doesn't say to do that, and I just kept it simple. And then it says only show the data bar and the average sales number, which I don't know why it said that, because I feel like that's already what it's doing.
Yeah, that's what it did automatically.
Yeah, I don't know why they put that on there unless I'm missing something. So let's check my work here for the gold and the silver. Silver greater than 7,000. Okay, that would make sense. Let's see, do we have any blanks? Oh, yep, right here. Here's a blank. It's less than 2,000. Yeah, I think my formula worked. It appears to have worked.
Awesome. I think that from what because I Googled it too, and that looked right.
So I'm marking that one off. We've done number 5. Let's see, do we need to do anything else there? No. Add a column next to the average monthly sales on the AR aging called class and make the word gold, silver, or blank. Oh, I already did that. Okay.
Also, oh yeah.
So 5 and 6 are basically the same thing, right?
Now format these 3 columns: customer number, customer name, and class.
Do not try to do this step with conditional formatting. Instead, do this step with formulas. That's what we did.
Yep.
Next to that, I have lookup from sales sheet. What does that mean?
Where does it say that?
Like on number 6. I just have that written down probably from the video. Maybe just because we were supposed to do this formula here on the monthly sales sheet, but we did it over here, which is completely fine.
Yeah, just one less step of moving it
Yeah,
over.
it's just because now it's just telling us to bring it over. So I think we're fine. I think we're fine. I think we did 5 and 6. Now format these 3 columns: customer number, the customer name, and class. Format all these columns with gold fill and white font for the gold class customers and silver fill and white font for the silver class customers. So I think we'll just highlight all 3 of those, right?
Customer number.
Have you caught up to me?
I'm on class. I haven't typed in that formula yet, the if or.
Oh, do you want me to? Here, I'll just wait for you. Type it in. Here.
If.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay.
If or.
Well, we might as well just finish this.
Yeah, we're close.
We're so close.
Oh, I forgot to put the equal sign. I was wondering why it wasn't working. Here we go.
And I feel like we're doing it right, but who knows? I'm like the queen of making the stupid mistakes.
If or that is greater than 7,000. And this is greater than 7,000.
We were close. We just had the ors in the wrong spot.
Yeah. Excel's hard for that. Like you make one little mistake and the whole thing doesn't work.
I think that's why everything takes so long.
Yeah, because everything has to be so perfect.
Yeah. Did you already do step 3 with all the icons, or are you going to go back and do that?
Oh, I'm going to go back and do that. I haven't done that yet.
Don't forget to do that.
I totally would have, so thank you.
You did your average monthly sales?
Yeah, the average monthly and then the 3-month average, and I put the bar chart on the average.
Nice. Awesome. Good. Okay.
I9 is greater than.
And you did your totals at the top?
Yeah.
Like up here?
Yeah, the total's up above.
Yeah. Okay.
Is greater than 2,000. J10. And value of false is just blank, right?
Yeah, and I scrolled down and we had some blanks on all of the ones that didn't make a ton of money. So I think it's right.
Oh, I totally messed up. Hold up. Value of true is gold. All right, there we go. Okay. So there should be 3 golds, then 2 silvers, then a gold and a silver. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I have, but hopefully we're doing it right. It looks right to me. Like I just kind of look at it and go, well, it's big there, it's big there, it's gold. Here
It's
it's
between 2,000
smaller.
and 7,000. Yeah.
I think it's right. So then the next step says we just have to format these 3 columns. So customer number, customer name, and class. My assumption is we can do those all at the same time.
Yeah.
Just by highlighting each of them.
Customer number, customer name.
And then class. Yep. We might have to do, oh, I forgot to press control and now I just erased everything. Oh, I guess I could do those 2 columns together too.
So now do we have to go to manage roles then?
Um,
Kind of make our own, I guess.
I know, I don't know if we're going to be able to do both of them at the same time. I guess we'll play around with it and see. Okay. And then conditional formatting, and then highlight cell rules, and then more rules is what I'm thinking.
Formula only cells that contain a specific text.
We want like a whole row, like oh no, we don't want the whole row.
We just want it to be gold if it's gold over in class.
Yes.
Right?
But we need like the customer number to be gold and the customer name to be gold too.
But I think if we've highlighted those, then when we select these things, it'll take effect on all of our highlighted.
I think this is kind of one of those things that we'll just try it and see, and if it doesn't work, then it doesn't work. Use a formula to determine which cells to format? No. Format only unique or duplicate values.
It wants it, what did it say? It wants it like gold with white text or something?
Yeah. Which one did you try? Which one of these did you try? Format only cells that contain, is that what you tried?
Yeah, I said format cells that contain a specific text, but I just hit it and nothing happened. Oh, except it erased all. Oh, wait, no. Yeah, I didn't do anything.
Click undo. Okay, use a formula to determine which cells to format. Format values where this formula is true. Equals gold. Format gold. I'm just trying. I have no clue what I'm doing here. I'm just trying.
No, I just messed with it and I did it wrong. So
gold with white.
I'm highlighting them all and I'm trying it again.
Format all these columns with gold fill and white font. So gold and white. Let's see if one of us will figure this out. Please work, please work. I'm nervous. It doesn't look like anything is happening. Nothing happened. Why would nothing happen? Oh, man. Okay, let me
No.
let's try this again.
Specific text containing gold. No, I just tried something and it didn't work either. Wait.
Did you get it? Did you get it? We did something like this.
I got the gold, the class to highlight with gold, but I didn't get the name or the number to highlight gold.
Okay,
well,
how did you do that? Which one did you use?
I went to conditional formatting, I went to more rules, and I said format only cells that contain a specific text.
Okay.
And then I typed in gold.
At this point, I can't even like get the 3 columns highlighted. I'm struggling so much. It's like redonkulous. I've like highlighted them 50 times, and then when I go over to highlight the other one, I'm pressing control and it still isn't highlighting them. It's very frustrating. Control. All right, I got everything highlighted. Oh. Well, that just took me 15 minutes just to get everything highlighted. Come on. Okay. All right. Don't unhighlight, whatever you do. So you tried manage rules. I'll go back into this. Equal to?
Then I hit more rules.
Oh, here's text that contains. Format cells that contain the text. So you already tried this.
See, that probably worked for the class cells. Oh wait.
But it's highlighting those and they're not gold.
Oh, because they say the word gold.
The name had gold in it. That's funny. That's funny. There's another one that has gold in it. Oh. Okay. No, that did not work. So. All right, let's try again. Okay. I remember this in the video. It was like if you did an if thing in this, you didn't have to write the word if. Remember that?
Yeah, which we're gonna have to definitely type a formula. Since we can't just say containing gold because.
Let's see, where's my video? Formatting a cell based on another cell. New rule, use a formula to determine which cells to format. Okay. So we got to cancel this. We got to go to new rule. And then we got to choose use a formula to determine which cells to format. Okay. Then we do, it says leave if off. Select the cell. So if, pretend like you're putting if, but don't really put if. If this cell over here, K10, is it K10?
But you don't, which one don't you don't want to lock it down though, right?
I mean, like my screen's frozen and not letting me touch anything right now. Ah. So dang frustrating. Okay, let me
scroll up.
I know, let me scroll up to where I was.
So if K10
okay
equals gold, right?
That's what I'm thinking. Okay, if, but you're not putting if, the word if, right? You're just putting.
Yeah, I just put equals K10 equals gold.
Huh, do we have to put in equals? I think so.
Or can we just straight up type K10?
I don't remember. But we're getting close. We'll figure it out. If this, but it doesn't, we don't want it to be anchored.
Yeah.
So
unanchor
it. If that is equal to gold, and then format. Did I? Okay. And then font. Can we do them both at the same time? Like, how do we add another one on there? Do we do and?
Or it'd be an or. Because it's either if it's gold or silver, then do this or this.
We need it to go down the table, so I think just the letter is anchored.
See, I got it to highlight all the gold again, but not the customer name or the customer number.
Huh. Guess what happened to mine? Nothing. Cursed. We're so close. So you got yours to work?
Just on the class. I didn't get it to highlight the customer name or the customer number.
Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Okay, that's what we're doing. Leave if off equals. Okay. How was the or again? Was it? Oh wait, that was just the next page over. What if we try?
I'm trying an if or statement right now.
Yeah, that's kind of what I'm trying.
Oh, but that doesn't work because then it's like it just highlights everything gold. If it's gold or silver, it just highlights it gold.
Oh, I think, yeah. Oh my gosh, this is so frustrating. Well, then we should be able to do this as two separate ones, right?
Yeah, like you just do the same equation twice, but just change the format.
Did you get the first one?
No, because I still can't get it to highlight
Everything.
everything. I just get it to highlight the class. I can't get it to highlight everything.
Hmm.
Gosh.
The formula is missing an opening or closing parentheses. All right. What the beep? I'm getting angry now.
Yeah, I'm not understanding how to do this part. He did it in the video so easily.
Oh, look at my screen.
Oh, what'd you do?
Dude, I don't even know.
You did it though. That's exactly what we needed.
I'm like, I just kept pushing numbers. Let's see. Is it still there? How do I see what I did? How do I see how I did that? What does this do? Because I probably won't be able to figure it out for the rest. I did equals parenthesis and then I clicked on that first one, but I only anchored, but then I only anchored the letter, not the number, and then equals quote unquote gold. I'm pretty sure that's what I did. Try that.
Oh, whoops! I totally just. Hold on, let me try it again.
I'm pretty sure that's what I did.
I think you're right. I think it was an anchoring problem. We were anchoring the wrong thing.
And now if I highlight all this, is it going to mess it all up? Okay. Now let's see if we can figure out the other thing. Oh, we're so close to being done with this.
Okay. Hey, it worked.
Did it? Good. Okay, so that's what we did. So now we just have to do the same thing for silver. Trial and error.
So now we just need to highlight everything again, right?
That's what I'm doing, and then doing new rule, and then trying that same thing again. Okay, new rule equals, okay, what is the new rule? If it's silver, it needs to be silver fill and white font. Okay. Oh, and of course I'm not at the top. What was the top cell? Was it K?
K9.
A9. Okay. But then this one has to be like that. Equals. Oh,
It needs to be silver, right? With white writing.
yes. A9 equals.
Got it.
You got it?
Yeah, it worked. Just doing that same exact thing.
Okay, let's hope it works for me. So silver fill, like just a gray, I'm assuming.
Yeah, I should have gray with white.
With white.
Yeah.
Please work, please work, please work. Oh, it didn't work for me.
Well, what happened? You just got off.
I don't know. Wow. Okay, well, I'll just do undo because wasn't it right before?
Yeah, your gold. Right?
Okay, so something happened. Weird. All right. Now I think you just have to pull the logo and you're done, dude.
Okay, let me look at that. Pulling a logo from where?
On the video, he just said any logo you find from the internet.
I'm gonna do the. I'm gonna do the icons real quick.
Oh yeah, do that while I figure this out.
You just highlight everything, all those middle columns then for that?
No, you have to do each one separately because it's a different icon thing for each column. So start with the 91 plus days. Kind of annoying and stupid.
Icon sets.
This is going to be our longest video ever.
Yeah, seriously.
Oh, why did it just do that? Oh, that's weird. Okay. Equals silver, close parentheses, and then format. Did you do okay on exam 2?
I think I got a B.
Nice.
I think it said B. So not
All
too
right.
bad.
Mine worked.
You got it to work?
Yes, but I do wish I'd chosen a darker gray because it's very hard to read the words. I'm scared to fix it though, so it's staying the way that it is. You know, I'm like, oh geez, if I go back in there and try to fix it, who knows? Okay. On the aging report, add our company's logo, your choice of an appropriate logo, put a useful title on the report, add a freeze frame, and follow all standards of professionalism. So I guess a freeze frame for wherever we're inserting a logo. It's weird.
Okay, so the first one's only has red X over 1,000, right?
Yeah, there was only 2.
Yeah.
Okay, yep.
Okay. And then you don't have any other symbols or anything.
No.
Those in that one.
Yeah, we do not want other symbols. Yep, yep. And then the next one, 61. Your 61 to 90 and your 90 plus days are the same. I'm sorry I lied to you.
Yeah, those two are the same.
Did
Just
you
the
see
red
that?
X
Okay.
only.
Yeah, sorry. And then in the, okay. Let's see.
And the 0 to 40 days. Oh, this is an annoying thing.
It was kind of time consuming and obnoxious, I agree.
A number equal to and above.
What the heck is happening?
So they never want the green check.
What?
He never wants a green check. He only wants the red and the.
Yeah. Yep. I'm doing my logo.
You just went on the internet, copied and then pasted it, or what?
I did insert picture from the internet and just this in the search bar put company logos and just added one that was already on there. But this is making me kind of have to like scoot my whole everything down. I don't want to do that. It could mess with everything. I'm going to choose something a little bit smaller. Are you still working on the icons?
No, I just finished up the company. I know it's company.
I'm trying to
Symbol.
find something small because what I chose before is like making me move around too much crap. You know? I'm like, I don't want to reformat my whole table and move everything around. Ugh, so annoying.
Yeah, I just did like a night.
How big is yours?
It just takes up the customer name size. I just lowered everything down. Mine's
Gotcha.
like mine takes up like 6 rows or something, and then one big column.
Okay, yeah, that's kind of what mine's doing here too. Okay, wait. All right, I think we're good. I think this is like the last step. After this, and then you have to freeze. It says, put a useful title on the report and add a freeze pane. Do you know how to do a freeze pane?
No.
Somebody at my internship showed me. I think I remember. I think you go to view and then freeze
Oh,
pane.
freeze paint.
Yep. And then you just choose the like top 6 rows that you want to stay frozen. I have like part of my logo is stuck right here. Oh dear. Now it's like going to this website. That is so annoying. Okay. I'm going to stop sharing my screen and stop the broadcast and finish this. Are you going to turn yours in tonight?
Yeah, probably.
Okay, I think I will too.
Just
Cool.
gonna finish it all up and turn it
We
in so I
figured
don't have to worry
that
about
out
it.
together. You got everything, right?
Yeah, I got all the icons and everything.
You got all your icons, you got your data bar.
Yeah, I just got to do like the standards of professionalism and stuff now.
Yeah, I usually miss a step or two in that.
These freeze panes, what am I?
Let me look.
Keep the first column visible while scrolling through the rest of the sheet.
Freeze top row, freeze panes. Oh, it like didn't give me any options when I did that. Freeze top row.
Yeah, it just says like add a freeze pane is all it says, which seems a little vague.
I think if we do okay, mine's a little scallywampus. Oh, can you see my screen? No, here, hold on. I'm probably missing something on this, but I at least have it somewhat working. I just did freeze the top row, and then I made the top row come down a little bigger. Because then look, see down here on my thing, if I scroll through my thing, see how the top stays the same, that red?
Yeah.
And then I'll just have to put my logo in over here. But that is kind of hiding
So the logo stays up there the whole time.
Yeah, that's what he wants is the logo and the title to stay up there the whole time. So we'll have to type the title in and the logo up here. But that's not freezing the second part of the red. I don't know if that matters or not. I have no clue.
Yeah, I got mine to work with my symbol, so that's good.
But then I'm trying to type in and it's not working. You know how we were saying how that happens with the red box?
Oh yeah, it doesn't like show your text.
Yeah, what do we do about that now?
Well, on the freeze pane, I just said freeze current selections or something.
Oh, how did you get to that?
So hit freeze panes again, and it said freeze panes just right there.
Uh-huh.
And then
based on current selection. So
based on current selection, you can like highlight what you want to freeze.
Like the first 5, maybe.
Yeah, just enough to put your logo and your title on it, you know.
Is that letting you type a title next to it?
Yeah.
And then you're just putting, whoa, what just happened here? I think I did something weird. No, it's working. Okay. Oh, I kind of froze my totals at the top, but that's okay. That's kind of cool.
So it keeps the totals.
Yeah, I'm like, I didn't mean to do it, but that's kind of cool. So is it letting you type a title? What are you titling yours? AR Aging Annual Report or something like that?
world? I just did something bad. What happened?
Oh, mine's like frozen from the left and right too. How I did that, I don't know. Do you see that? Like, what the heck? Did you see that?
Yeah, what in the world?
Is that normal?
Oh, because you only highlighted over to that part.
Oh, okay. So let's try that again. Maybe like this whole thing. And then look, it did it again. It's putting this like column right here. Why? Why would it be doing that? And I have this stupid little thing down here. How do I get rid of that? It's sending me to this website again. I probably need to just put this away and figure it out tomorrow. At this point, I'm tired. It's like not working, you know?
Yeah, I mean, we got a pretty good jump on it.
Oh, there we go. Now I need to, oh.
I'm so confused.
Did you get yours to freeze right?
Yeah, I think so, but now mine's having rather major issues. I have no idea what I did.
Wait, you messed up where?
It's just being Excel, you know?
I know. Why?
Here, I'll share my screen. I'll show you because I don't even know how to explain what's happening. Can you see it? Oh, wait. There you go. Can you see it?
Okay, you got your Nike swoosh symbol.
Yeah, so as I scroll down, then the Nike swoosh like stays there.
Yep, that looks good.
But like I got this somehow put this weird thing in my title and it like won't let me backspace it. It's like permanently stuck on.
Oh dear.
I'm trying to like erase it and it's just not even erasing. And I'm trying to go like undo and it's not undoing anything.
Oh, that's annoying.
And I have no idea like how am I gonna fix that?
Oh, that's weird.
When I can't delete anything.
Yeah, like what is that?
And now it's like permanently like I'm always selecting cells randomly.
Weird.
Like I'm putting them in an equation or something. I don't know what's going on.
Let's close it down and come back to it tomorrow.
Yeah, sounds good to me.
Okay, I'll stop broadcasting this and I'll shoot it to you so that if you do turn it in tonight, you've got something to turn in.
Okay.
Hey, that worked great doing it together.
Yeah, that helped a lot.
It forced me to just finish it, you know, otherwise I probably would have just given up a while ago.
Yeah.
Okay, good night. Good luck. Good luck on your exam.
Yeah, you too.
See you later. Bye.